the space shuttle. It's a glider when it lands. Okay, it's got no engines. It's got flaps. There's a little bit of brakes in the tires, but that's about it. When it comes in, okay, how do you make sure the thing stays on track? Because they kept drifting and crosswinds and this sort of thing. And so they said, why don't we groove the road so that the rubber on the road, the runway, so that the rubber can align with the grooves and stay in a straight line, because rubber doesn't slide well doesn't slide sideways very easily on grooves. When they realized how effective that was, it's now put on off-ramps to freeways. If there's a freeway off-ramp that's a little tight, not quite banked well enough, it's going to be grooved. Check it out next time. And you could say, well, okay, that's a pretty simple low-tech solution. Why couldn't we just discover that on our own without the $20 billion a year space agency called NASA? But you didn't. You didn't. Power tools, cordless, high-torque power tools, were invented to service satellites in orbit by NASA, because you can't just plug it into a 120-volt socket when you're floating in space. So the engineers said, how are we going to solve this problem? Let's make a high-torque power tool.